How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Today we're going over the 2024 Keystone Alpine 3303CK. This luxury fifth wheel is incredible with cutting-edge technology and features. As you can see, there's two of them behind me. This first one is the regular style graphics, and this one is custom painted blue. Gives you that stylish, awesome look. We're going to go over both of them, so let's get into it.
Let's start our journey inside the Alpine, where luxury and comfort seamlessly blend. The living room boasts a designer floor, extra tall, 6-foot 10-inch main slide height, and Thomas Paine furniture with heat, massage, LED lights, and USB charging stations in the theater seats. Curl up by the 40-inch fireplace that produces 5,000 BTU of electric heat, surrounded by stunning solid wood cabinet doors and crown molding. The ambiance is enhanced by LED lighting throughout, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is a chef's dream with solid surface countertops, stainless steel sinks, and high-rise single-lever faucet with a sprayer. And check out the amazing legless dinette with storage and high-back dinette chairs. This kitchen's also got tons of storage for all your food and items. As we move into the bedroom, a king-sized bed awaits, accompanied by LED overhead reading lights, bedside outlets on both sides, and an LED TV. It's also got a large wardrobe closet and a dedicated space for washer and dryer. Step into the bathroom and you'll see double sinks and a translucent glass shower enclosure with a massaging showerhead, porcelain foot flush toilet, and ample storage space. The attention to detail in every corner of the Alpine ensures a luxurious experience. Now let's talk about a game changer, which is the Girard tankless water heater. Say goodbye to cold showers while traveling. This innovative feature allows for endless hot water, providing the ultimate in convenience and comfort. With large tinted safety glass windows, a painted fiberglass cap with patented key shield protection, and an exterior ladder, the Alpine is as stunning as it is durable. Storage is never an issue, with a 200 cubic foot heated basement and Class A style dual latch slam doors for storage. The exterior also features a 2-inch towing hitch with a wiring harness. The Alpine boasts robust construction, starting with a 12-inch I-beam frame and a 100-inch wide-body design. The Road Armor shock-absorbing hitch pin and hitch vision with LED lighting ensures a smooth and safe towing experience. Underneath this sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of construction features. The 2024 Alpine is built on a foundation of strength with a one-piece Alpha Superflex TPO membrane, laminated sidewalls with double-welded aluminum construction, and Summit slide rooms with hydraulic selector valves for slide-outs. Now let's talk about harnessing the power of the sun with the SolarFlex Protect 220 package. The Alpine comes equipped with a Future Solutions 220-watt solar panel, a 30-amp solar roof port, and a 30-amp 12-volt Victron Smart Solar MPPT controller with Bluetooth app for upgraded solar efficiency. This is great for trickle charging your battery.
Overall, the 3303CK Alpine is a great option for luxury travelers, and you can really step up your game with the custom body paint. If you want to learn more about this one, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa, or call the number on screen now. Make sure to like and give it a comment. Let me know what you think of this one, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.